In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customers and sub-customers in QuickBooks Online. Managing your customer information effectively is a key part of running a successful business, and QuickBooks Online makes it straightforward to organize your data. Whether you're adding a new customer or creating a sub-customer to track related accounts, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Now, let's get started. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to your dashboard on the left-hand panel of your screen. Locate and click on the Customers and Leads option. This will take you to the section where all your customer records are organized. Next, look at the top menu and you'll see a tab labeled Customers. Go ahead and select that tab. This will bring up the list of your existing customers. Now, to add a new customer, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the New Customer button. A form will appear where you'll need to fill out the necessary details. Start entering the new customer's information, such as their name, contact details, and any other required fields that are relevant to your business. Be sure to fill this out as accurately as possible to avoid any confusion later. Once you've completed the form, click the Save button, and just like that, you've successfully added a new customer to your QuickBooks Online account. Next, if you need to create a sub-customer, you'll follow a similar process. Click on the New Customer button once again. This time, when the form appears, enter the details for the sub-customer. Make sure to include their name and any other necessary information. Now, here's the important part. Look for the checkbox labeled Is a Sub-Customer and check it. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select the parent customer that this sub-customer is associated with. Choose the correct parent customer from the list. Before finalizing, take a moment to double-check all the information you've entered to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, click Save, and your sub-customer will be added to the system and linked to their parent customer. And that's it. You've now learned how to add customers and sub-customers in QuickBooks Online. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your records organized, especially if you work with clients who need detailed account hierarchies. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.